Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy tablets during offers, but sadly there is no such offers where people can buy their favorite tablets. In this video, I will mention the dates of the greatest of all time offers on Flipkart, that is GOAT sale. Actually, GOAT sale is a very good sale. People have good chances of buying their favorite products at a discounted price with credit cards. In the year 2025, actually Flipkart will launch this offer in the month of July. So if you are eagerly waiting for a tablet to buy, you must wait till GOAT sale. In Flipkart, the GOAT sale usually takes place during late July and early August every year, offering massive discounts on multiple categories of products. Whether you are looking to buy electronics, fashion or home essentials, this is the best time for you to buy any product. The tentative date for GOAT sale is 20th of July to 25th of July. Most probably you will get discounts on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, S9 FE Plus, Tab S10 FE, S10 FE Plus, Oneplus Pad, Oneplus Pad 2, iPad 10th generation, iPad 11th generation, Poco Pad 5G, Redmi Pad Pro and many other tablets. But before buying any tablet, you must know the best price of each and every tablet so that you are not befooled by the sellers of Flipkart. I have made many videos regarding the price point of each and every tablet in my previous videos. You can check out those videos or you can ask me in the comment sections below so that I will make a dedicated price point video of each and every tablet in upcoming sale. Plus, I will recommend you to buy any tablet during offers only with credit cards, because in credit cards you will get the maximum discount. If you don't have credit cards, in that case you may have to pay around 3000 rupees extra. So it is highly recommended to have a credit card before buying any tablet or any product during sale. Now you may ask me which card will be available during offer, so keep ready ICICI or HDFC or Axis Bank credit card. One of these cards will be available for discount in the upcoming sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.